red wine sauce or Bordelaise made in a restaurant kitchen. Let me show you how to make this classic delicious sauce step by step. The red wine sauce is a part of the French classic sauce series. I'm using here the Demi-Glace stock I made in the last video. If you have not watched it, please watch that next. For this sauce, I need some shallot, garlic, red wine, herbs, and of course the demi-glace stock. Let's start by peeling the shallot and the garlic. I am slicing the shallot in a half ring shape. It doesn't really matter how you sliced it. When reducing the sauce, this will be broken down at the end. I am sautéing the shallots and garlic using some butter. I want them well caramelized to release that unique flavor into the sauce. Sauté the shallots and garlic in a very high heat. This helps to caramelize it in a very short time and also prevent it from steaming. I added some splash of cognac and then followed with the red wine. Red wine sauce is very delicious. You can serve this with grilled or roasted meat. I add the demi-glace stock followed by the herbs and start with reduction. While reducing, with the help of a spoon, remove the impurity floating on top. This helps to give that finish shine at the end of the sauce. After reduction, I'm using the smallest strainer to remove every impurity. If done well, it should have that glance, taste almost perfect, and coat the back of a spoon. Season at the end with a little bit of salt and pepper to your desire. Here is my delicious red wine sauce. Make sure to like and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. Thank you. Next in the series is the three classic French sauce made using the demi-glace sauce. Check out the next video on the screen to see how to make the demi-glace. See you in the next video.